Department of Homeland Security is offering signing bonuses of up to $50,000 for new recruits who join ICE. The offer is being made for new deportation officers, lawyers, and investigators.
Let me ask you something, and I want you to really think about it.
Okay.
What if I told you there's a federal career right now that does not require a college degree, can pay over six figures, comes with elite government benefits, a real pension, and on top of all that, they're offering up to $50,000 sign-on bonus just to get you in the door.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Most people hear that and immediately think it sounds fake, or they assume there has to be some sort of catch. But there is a career like that, and it's real. It's becoming a federal ICE agent. And today, I'm breaking everything down. How the job actually works, how pay really stacks up, why college isn't required, and why the government is offering bonuses this large. And just as important, the downsides people usually avoid talking about. Because this channel isn't about hype, it's all about real opportunities that can change your life. What's up, everybody? What's going on today? I'm JV Charles, and this is BigPay Trades at JV Charles TV. On this channel, we focus on the highest paying skilled trades and careers in America, especially the ones the education system never tells you about. And if you're tired of being told that college is the only path to success, but you still want money, stability, and respect, you're exactly where you need to be. Now, when people hear ICE agent, a lot of them think they already know what the job is, but most of the time, they don't. Being a federal ICE agent isn't one single role. It's a wide range of enforcement and investigative work tied directly to national security and public safety. Depending on your assignment, you might be involved in long-term criminal investigations, working cases connected to organized crime, human trafficking, drug networks, or major financial fraud. Subagents even focus on surveillance and intelligence. Others work task forces alongside local, state, and federal agencies. And some spend more time in the field while others are building cases behind the scenes.
Own gangs, drug dealers, and criminal networks to get them the hell off the street, maybe get them out of the country, because a lot of them came into our country illegally. They shouldn't have been allowed in. They come from Venezuela. They come from all over the world. We're going to get them the hell out. They won't be here long.
The key thing to understand is that this is real federal law enforcement work. It's not repetitive, it's not mindless, and it's definitely not a job where every day looks the same. That level of responsibility is exactly why compensation and benefits are what they are. Now, here's the part that really grabs people's attentions. You don't need a college degree to become a federal ICE agent. No 4 years in the classroom, no student loan debt, hanging over your head for decades, and no waiting around hoping your degree turns into a paycheck someday. ICE understands something the school system ignores. Real world matters.
In Dallas, Texas, there was a big ICE job fair going on there where, President Trump has said that so many people want to be ICE agents. Even ICE is putting together some packages for people to sign up to attract them.
They value discipline, they value decision making under pressure, and they value people who can stay calm, focused, and professional in serious situations. That's why people from the military, skilled trades, security work, law enforcement, and hands-on backgrounds often do extremely well in this career. You're not being hired because of a piece of paper, you're being hired because you can handle responsibility. Now, let's talk money, because this is BigPay Trades and money matters, right? Most ICE agents start out making solid pay right from the beginning. We're talking about real adult income, not barely getting by money. That's just the starting point. And as you gain experience, your base pay increases a lot. Then you start stacking additional pay on top of that. Law enforcement availability pay, overtime, night shifts, and special assignments. Before long, you're not asking if six figures is possible, you're asking how high you want to go. And here's what separates this from a lot of private sector jobs. Your pay doesn't depend on whether your boss likes you or whether a company has a good year. It's built into the system. You show up, you do the work, and you gain experience, and your income grows. And remember, you're doing all of this without college debt. Now, let's talk about the number that makes people stop scrolling. $50,000. $50K sign-on bonus. The federal government doesn't offer bonuses like that unless they're serious about people they need and people they need now that are qualified. Depending on the role and the location, ICE is offering up to 50 grand. You heard me right, just to get you committed to the career. And that's on top of your regular paychecks. That alone tells you how valuable and in demand this position is right now.
Stop right there. I'm in.
But paychecks are only part of the picture. This is where federal careers really separate themselves from most jobs people are working today. As a federal ICE agent, you're not just earning a salary, you're building long-term security. You get a real federal pension, you get a retirement plan with government matching, and you get health care that doesn't disappear if the economy falls. Now, you get paid holidays, paid vacations, and paid sick leaves. You're not constantly worried about layoffs. You're not watching stock prices, and you're not wondering if the company will survive the next recession. That peace of mind is something most people don't fully appreciate until they don't have it. Another major advantage of this career is the training. ICE doesn't throw you into the job unprepared. You receive paid federal training covering law enforcement tactics, firearms, investigations, and legal procedures. And once you're in, you're not stuck doing the same thing forever. You can move into specialized units, leadership roles, intelligent work, or even training the next generation of agents. The choice is yours. This isn't a job you outgrow, it's a career that grows with you.
Is reporting that ICE is planning to spend roughly $100 million on a one-year campaign to recruit gun rights and military enthusiasts through online influencers. ICE is calling this a wartime recruitment strategy and says the spending is focused on helping the administration's immigration crackdown across the United States.
Now, I want to slow this down for a moment because this part matters. This job is not easy. It can be high stress, it can be emotionally demanding, and it can be physically demanding as well. The hours aren't always predictable. Nights, weekends, and holidays come with the territory. There's also public and political scrutiny that comes with wearing the badge, as you've probably seen recently on TV or social media. And depending on where you're needed, you may have to relocate. This career requires mental toughness, discipline, and thick skin. Some people thrive in that environment, others don't. There's no shame in either, but you have to be honest with yourself. For the right person, though, this career makes a lot of sense.
All of those recruitment efforts are through the roof because I think of the individuals that are excited about defending the homeland, protecting this country, and making sure that they have the ability to go out and to do a job that they can be proud of.
If you want six-figure potential without college debt, if you want structure, stability, and real benefits, and if you're tired of dead-end jobs with no future and high college debt, this one you should seriously take a look at. Veterans, tradespeople, security professionals, and people who want more out of their working lives often find this career life-changing. For decades, we've been sold one story, that college is the only path to success. But careers like this prove it isn't true. Now, there's multiple paths to making good money and building a secure future. Many of them faster, many of them cheaper, and more stable than people realize. That's exactly why BigPay Trades exists. Now, if this video opened your eyes a little bit, don't stop here. On this channel, we break down the highest paying skilled trade careers you can start with zero experience, and real jobs making hundreds of thousands of dollars or more without college. Click one of the videos on your screen right now, subscribe to BigPay Trades, turn on notifications because the next video you watch could be the one that changes your life. I'm JV Charles, this is BigPay Trades at JV Charles TV, and I'll see you in the next one.